So Neuhardt here to talk about the 7 critical mistakes that ruin your accident case. If your loved one was injured in an automobile accident, you may initially have reacted with anger, but then reacted with frustration because of your frustration with what we refer to as the system. The questions usually revolve around an uncaring insurance company, and the insurance company may be your own or maybe the insurance company for the person that was at fault, what your options are that are available to you, and whether or not you need an attorney. I'm here to answer many of those questions and questions about your case you may not have thought of yet. This is based on my extensive experience handling accident cases, which includes hundreds, and settling these cases with the insurance companies. I will do my very best to make the subject understandable and to try and avoid highly technical legal language. I was raised and educated right here in Montana, including attending the University of Montana for undergraduate school and the University of Montana School of Law. Unfortunately, there's never been a greater need for the services of an attorney. Insurance companies have unfortunately found out that they can abuse their relationships with their own insurers or with people who are the victims of an auto accident. They can delay, deny, or lowball these claims to try and pay out the smallest amount possible. The majority of the public remains aware of these tactics. If you take the time to watch this series of videos, then you'll understand what your rights are and what you can do about it. In general, you become a much more informed consumer of legal services and how to work with them in the future. My goal in these videos is to cover the essentials, miss and personal injury cases and how those can be used against you, what I unfortunately refer to as the hidden motivations of insurance companies, when you don't need a lawyer and when it's foolish to get legal advice, how to find the right attorney for your situation, and questions you can ask before hiring an attorney. Questions that you must ask before hiring an attorney. You must understand that what I'm providing to you is not legal advice. Legal advice can only come from an attorney who is familiar with the case and who you have actually retained for advice. What I can do is share with you tips and point out the most obvious common mistakes in cases and how to work around those or avoid them. If you stop right now, there's one thing that you should fully and completely understand. Any document that you sign for the insurance company or otherwise is legally binding and can be used against you. So it's important that you talk with someone before you sign any document and sign away rights of yours. When clients come to me late in the process of a personal injury case and they have already signed documents and signed away certain rights, then it's frequently too late to salvage your case. Time and again, potential clients will wait too long in their personal injury cases before they do something about it, before they talk to an attorney, and by that time,